Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 2. I really enjoyed reading through the personal stories that you shared and also getting your take on the TED Talk that we watched during Module 1. Thank you for helping to build such a strong community this week. I think we're off to a great start, and I'm looking forward to what's going to happen next in Module 2. In Module 2, we're going to be following the same pattern. You're going to be reading through the web text and answering questions. You'll be doing a discussion and completing a milestone. My grading and feedback for my Module 1 will be posted to you at the latest by Thursday. So go ahead and check into the class to see the grading and feedback during the earlier part of the week. This week, we're going to be talking about what to do in order to persevere through the class. When things get tough, how do you handle things? How do we get through? So there are a few different subjects in the web text that you'll see that can help you to get through these harder times in your life and keep going with the goals that you've set for yourself. One of the things we'll be talking about is grit. Another thing we'll talk about is developing a growth mindset for yourself. We'll also be taking a look at your self-efficacy, and then finally, self-regulated learning. So those are some of the topics that we'll be looking at in the web text and discussing this week. So what you should do is to complete that DAX assessment early on in the week, because we'll be using that DAX assessment to complete the discussion for this week. You'll be taking the results from the DAX assessment, and it doesn't really matter how you do on the assessment. What we're really looking for here is the feedback that you receive, and you'll be using that to create your discussion post. So go ahead and get started on that as soon as you can if you haven't started on it already. For the milestone, you're going to be brainstorming more about the topic that you selected during Module 1. This will give us an opportunity to narrow things down and to get us heading in the right direction for the next steps that we'll take in Module 3. So I hope you have a great week and good luck to everybody.